And the race is on. Cash Feeder from the outside. Formidable Ella rushing up Newsmaker together with Stormflag. Rushing up Proceeding. Fabian rushing up from the outside. Never on Sunday. Flyboy Forever Young. Third last Jet Treasure, Green Apple and Shades of Red is the early trailer. Cash Feeder by some 2 lengths followed by Newsmaker. Formidable Ella is racing in third by Ellen Canab. Rushing up Never on Sunday, far beyond down on the inside Forever Young. And Flyboy. Last 450. Cash Feeder by some 2 lengths Newsmaker. As they race the final corner. Cash Feeder number 11 by 2 lengths now. Formidable Ella far beyond down on the inside. And nearing the finish line is Cash Feeder by some 2 lengths, followed by Fabian, Stormflag, and Forever Young on the further outside. But Cash Feeder, Forever Young, and finally Cash Feeder, Forever Young, Formidable Ella, Shades of Red, and Fabian for your Pentafecta.